What's good, gang? This is the Dope Guy, and I am back with another video, big dog. Happy Monday to y'all. Shout out to Tom Brady and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers on winning the Super Bowl against the Kansas City Chiefs. They smoked them motherfuckers, bro. They got smoked. Tom Brady's the GOAT. The argument is over. I don't want to hear no more. All you Kansas City fans, whatever with y'all, bro. The GOAT has spoken. It's over, bro. I don't want to hear no more debating about who's the GOAT in the NFL. It's Tom Brady, and it's not even close. I don't care what no one says, bro. But I'm done talking about that because, you know, like I said, there's no argument there. It's over. It's over. It's super over. But yeah, man, I'm back with another video, and today's video is Franklin gets roasted by literally everyone. Ultimate compilation, bro. Y'all know any videos that's dealing with anyone getting roasted, I'm all for this shit, bro. Y'all love my mentally missed videos when he be doing those savage memes, those basically roasted. That shit is hilarious, bro. I know Franklin. Franklin is a character of Grand Theft Auto 5, for those who don't know. And this was a subscriber's request, so I already know this shit might be funny as hell, bro. You know it. I love jokes. I love to laugh. Y'all laugh with me when I do these videos, bro. Y'all already know what it is. But I am not going to hold you much longer because y'all already know it. Let's go, big dog. Let's get into the video. Yes, sir.
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work. What? Oh, motherfucker.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me?
What's up? Can the prince come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work. Oh, say it. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. Say it. Maybe if you got rid of that GT-ass haircut, you'd get some bitches on your power pole. Or better yet, maybe Maren will call your bitch ass if she ever stop fucking that turtle or that pig she's fucking with.
Yo.
What? Deuces, bitch.
Damn.
It's a me, Mario.
Oh, damn.
Ooh, can I look? Come up in your
Man, fuck you. I'll see you
Work.
at work.
Don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old ass haircut, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if he ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon Lord she fucking with. Nigga.
Oh, damn.
What?
Hey, Sugar, can 21 come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Look, dickbag, don't hate me because this pussy is light years out of your league. Maybe if your face didn't look like a chimpanzee, took a fat dookie and smeared it around like watercolor, you'd get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe that Quinzel girl will finally call you back when she's done fucking with that clown-ass freak or botanist she fucking with. Loser.
Oh, shit.
God, what a bitch. Even I wouldn't eat you.
What's up? Can a law come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
He from San
Listen
Andreas.
to me. I gotta be honest with you. You gotta check yourself and stay cool. You, on the other hand, have a dietary problem. Yeah, I guess Liberty didn't soften you none, huh, Casanova? Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can. Motherfuckers!
What?
Grove Street for life.
CJ.
Fuck you. I'll see you at work.
What you scared of? You already a dumb moron. We ain't busters, fool. You want more? You want more? Huh? You want some more of this? You got a problem, fool? I seen your face, sucker. Fuck around and I'll murder you, punk. G's up. Oh.
What?
How the hell they do this shit?
Ah, motherfucker.
Hey, son, are you gonna let me come inside?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Hey, don't hate me because I wasn't around. I joined the dark side, smacked some backsides, and choked a lot of galactic bitches with the Force. And you could be doing the same against you, Samuel.
Yo.
Lightsaber, bitch-ass Jedi.
Who be coming up with this shit?
Say what?
What?
Now he got braids now.
Fuck you.
Ah,
Ooh, honey. Yep.
and that's enough for me. You bust-ass fool, lame-ass nigga. Okay then, badass. Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth. Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your mom, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years. Boom! Bulls! What? Yeah, I got your ass.
This shit is funny as hell.
Hey there, can Crunk pull up in the crib?
Man, fuck you. I see you at work.
Look, Simpleton, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, man. Maybe get rid of that Jim Carrey bowl cut hair from Dumb and Dumber. You might get some bitches. But better yet, maybe he's gonna call your dog ass if she ever stopped fucking with that farm boy Pacha. You hoe.
What?
Hell
We're here
no.
to kiss girl.
Who come up with this shit, bro?
Sam,
Hey, ¿qué pasa, man? You gonna let me come inside or what?
Man, fuck you.
Tony Montana.
Fuck you, man. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? I told you, man. I told you. Maybe if you take these chicks out for some ice cream, maybe they want to bounce up and down on your cock or something. But no. You just gotta be a little stupid-ass cockroach.
What?
And eat shit, wasp whore.
So what's Gucci gonna say and pull up to your pod?
Man, fuck you. I see you.
I'm saying don't hate me because I'm slick. Sucker, maybe if you got rid of that doodle butter haircut, you get some Kyle Ken on the tip. Or better yet, maybe Lazuli call your popo behind if she ever stop piping down 17 on some sweet home Alabama. Saying, yeah.
What?
Why, hello there, little bird.
Man, you. I see you at work.
Oh, your hair is adorable. You must like spending time with me as much as I like spending it with you. I so want to introduce you to Doc and all the 7 dwarfs. Goodbye.
What?
So, can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee-ass haircut you got. You get some bitches on you.
Yes, haircut.
Yeah, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon and lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
What?
Fuck wrong with his haircut? What the fuck is that on his head?
Man, fuck you. I see you at work.
This shit is crazy. How they come up with this shit, dog?
What?
If you're gonna invite me in, give me a hell yeah.
Man, fuck you. I see you at work.
Hey, don't you disrespect me
My
like
nigga
that,
Stone
you
Cold.
big dick tank tickler. I'm about to open up a can of Twisted Teas and stomp a mud hole in you, then hit you with the Stone Cold Stunner, and that's the bottom line. The Stone Cold said so. What?
What the fuck?
What?
My nigga Stone Cold.
So, can we come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you.
RoboCop.
I see you at work.
Oh, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-ass haircut you got. You get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon or lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
Yo.
Never alive. I'm gonna get some bitches on my dick.
What the fuck?
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I see you at work. Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee-ass haircut. You got some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha
What the
call
fuck?
your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that.
All them clones,
brain
dog.
lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
Who come up with this?
What? What's up? Can a low come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I see you at work. Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee.
What the hell is going on in the background?
Bitches on your dick. Oh, Tanisha call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon or lawyer she fucking with.
Hell no.
Nigga.
He getting shot the fuck up. They shooting his ass. Dog. This shit. Who come up with this shit, dog? This nigga got roasted by everybody. He got roasted by RoboCop, Snow White. Oh my God, my boy CJ. If you really for Grand Theft Auto from San Andreas, bro, he got roasted by everybody. That shit is crazy, man. Shout out to the creators of this, bro. This shit is hilarious. Like, it's super creative. I love videos like this, dog. It's crazy. But yeah, man. Yo, this is wild. Man, I hope you enjoyed the reaction to this video. If you enjoyed my reaction, please give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the Dope Guy Big Dog. Hit the notification bell whenever I upload. Follow me right here on Snapchat, Instagram. It's going to be on the bottom screen below, bro. Any other videos you want me to check out, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Be sure to get back to y'all as soon as possible, bro. Whenever I get a chance to be on my phone and you know, chat it up with y'all for real, for real. But yeah, man, this video was funny. Any other videos want me to check out, let me know. Any other videos you want me to do, let me know. I'm open to anything, almost anything. But I'm open, bro, for sure. Hey, yeah, man, this is the dope guy, and I'm out. Yes, sir.